guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing something totally different today. I'm going to be reviewing this particular blender. Can you guys see it? This particular blender, I've been using this blender now. It's almost a year that I've been using it, and I honestly have to make this video because some of my subscribers, I know that this blender is popular now, and some of my subscribers might want to get it or might be thinking of maybe they should get it or not. So I want to be saying my honest review. You guys know I don't gatekeep anything as it is. You know I'm someone you can trust to be you the honest review on it. So this particular blender, I've been using it now is almost a year, and I'm going to show you the work of the blender. I'm going to show you because I use this blender for literally anything, but that's not to say that I don't eat pounded yam, so I have not used it for pounded yam. And where I even got it, the seller was honest with me. The seller told me that I should not use it for blending yam, because some people used to use it for their yam, and some people would like to them that okay, you can use it to blend your yam, you can use it to do this, you can use it to do that. I'm going to be telling you everything about this blender, all their secrets. So if you want to really enjoy it, if you want it to last long for you, do not use it to make your pounded yam, or else it's going to stop working. If you have this blender, you can leave a comment for me in the comment section, and you can also drop a comment for me if you're about to get this blender. So do not use it to blend yam. And another thing is that when you are cleaning this cup or any cup that comes with it, the smaller cups, I mean, do not pour water under here. If you want your blender to last, you can't pour water here. You have the business washing all these parts. If you pour water on it, you're going to definitely spoil it. You see that it's going to start leaking. So you have to handle your blender with care, no matter the brand. If you are not handling your blender with care, you are not doing it right. So you cannot just leave it for your kids to wash it for you. You have to handle it by yourself if you want it to last long. Any electronics that you have, it depends on your maintenance, how you maintain it. There's nothing I literally do not do with this my blender. I use it to grind my melon, that's egusi. I use it to grind my pepper, and it does everything perfectly for me, everything perfectly. And there's a smaller one in it, there's a smaller cup, and if you don't want the pepper to be roughly blend, you have to make use of this small cup. If you want to just chop your pepper, and you can also use this to chop your okra, to chop your vegetable, and so on. If you want anything to blend smoothly, you use this cup. But if you want things to just do it roughly, you don't want it to be too smooth, you use this cup, and it's very good. I love the blender because it gives me everything I want. The only disadvantage I see is that it makes noise, but if you don't mind the noise, it's the best. I'm going to let you listen to the noise. To some people it might not even be noise, and to some people it might be noise. So I'm going to show you everything that comes inside the blender, and I'm going to blend my egusi with this blender so that you can get to see how perfect it's working. Because if I don't use it to grind and I'm just talking, it will be like just rambling. I'm not showing you evidence, and you know that we always bring evidence on this channel. So this is different from our normal YouTube growth. It's not every day that we'll be learning, every day learning about YouTube. Sometimes you have to learn about the way to your stomach. So let's go straight into the blending part. Let me show you everything, how I blended my egusi, my melon with it. Let's go. So now I'm going to show you every part of this blender, the things that came with this blender, because this is the 6-in-1. There's 3-in-1. I think the 3-in-1 is cheaper than this. There's a 6-in-1, and I also heard that they've done 8-in-1, but the one I am using is 6-in-1, and it works okay. It works perfect for me. In fact, if you see the pepper that I blended with it on my second channel here, that pepper was very, very smooth. In fact, I do not remember the last time I've wasted money to go and grind in all these commercial places. In this part of Nigeria, you just have to have a blender at home, because grinding outside is really stressful, number one, and you won't be sure of how they clean their machine there. But with your own blender, you are sure that everything you're taking into your system is clean and good for your health. So let me show you every part that came with it. So this is everything that came with the blender. This is the machine. This is the carton. This is the carton. So this is the carton. Can you see 6-in-1? It's written here, right here. 6-in-1. So this is the machine. This is the big cup for your pepper or your goosey. That's the melon and so on. This is a big cup, and this is the one that you use to chop things. If you don't want it to be too smooth, you use this one. This is for your dry things. This is to grind your any powder thing that you want to grind. This is for heat. And this is the manual. This is all the things for the manual thing. This is the cup that you use. You just put all these things there and you're going to use it. And that's all. If your blender does not come with all these things, that means you have to take it back to your seller. You can replay this video and check if it comes with all these things. You can also use this blender to make your juice. You can use it as a juicer. You can use it for so many things. You can see it in the blender. You can use it. As you can see on the carton, you can see the things that you can use it for. So now that you've seen everything about this blender, are you also going to be getting it or not? Let me know in the comment section. And are you also using it? Give me your review under the comment section, because I've been using this one for months and it has never failed me. It's the best. I've used other blender in the past, but most of them always get spoiled. And the amount of money I've spent on repairing all those blender is what I've gotten me this perfect one. Nothing is perfect in this world, but at least this one gets the job done. Go and get your own if you've not gotten it, and if you don't have a blender already. Thank you for always coming back to my video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.